Attorneys from the Bryant Law Center, Paducah and Louisville, our guest today on this edition of Local 6 Legal Line. Mark Bryant in the middle, Terry Swanson to my far left, answering questions today about the, I guess it's a, I'm not sure, well, it's something that's poisonous. It's called Paraquat, and this is kind of a new area for you all, probably another mass tort, Mark.
Well, it is another mass tort, and you know, we just finished settling a bunch of Roundup cases. In the very beginning of the Roundup cases, we had on Facebook, people would threaten us, say there was nothing to it. Well, this is another one. We're probably going to get the same kind of thing. But there is a chemical called Paraquat, and Paraquat was used in Vietnam to kill foliage. It's been used in the United States for years and years for soybean farmers, cotton farmers, and corn farmers. And so if anybody has Parkinson's disease that has spent a considerable amount of time farming, I want to show you some pictures because it's hard to really, it's not like Roundup where everybody knows the name. This is a Syngenta product called Paraquat, but it's also known as V-Col. And then this is a Chevron product called Gramoxone. And if you know anybody that has Parkinson's disease, it has been proven that this is the cause of much of the Parkinson's disease in the United States. This stuff is used to, I mean, people have committed suicide with it, but the way you can really discern whether it was used on your farm is if it is blue in color and it has a noxious odor. And so if you have Parkinson's and you were a farmer or you worked around a farm or you lived around a farm, the people that applied this, the applications often were through airplanes. And so you have pilots that may have it. You have people that worked out there putting it out on the farm. And so if you have that, pick up the phone and give us a call and let us talk to you about it, because it could well be the cause of your Parkinson's disease, or your symptoms of Parkinson's disease was caused by Paraquat. And so we are into this big time, and we're trying to help people to obtain the money that's rightfully theirs from the company. And Syngenta makes the biggest amount of it. They make 80% of it, and then Chevron makes a huge amount of it too. And it's very, very dangerous. It's been banned in 32 countries, but not banned in the United States.
Mark, we've got about a minute left in this segment, and if we could, let's look at the heat map. I think that will be graphic A, that shows where it's used mostly in the United States. And I guess this shows where, if you live, that's predominantly used in these areas.
It is, and in fact, the #1 county in the United States is Christian County, Kentucky. The #5 county in the United States is Graves County, Kentucky. You've got Southern Illinois, you've got Pope County, Johnson County, Massac County, all those big farms over there that spray and have soybeans or any of those other things that I previously mentioned, corn or cotton. It's a really good chance if you got Parkinson's, that's how you got it.
All right, we owe ourselves a break, and we'll have more information regarding Paraquat on the other side as we continue our discussion with Mark Bryant, Terry Swanson of the Bryant Law Firm. So stay tuned. Part 2 of Local 6 Legal Line coming up straight ahead on Local 6 Midday.